There are times in our journey as an analyst that the market challenges our established theories or whatever we have, our conviction. It challenges us. It poses because market never always. So have you ever faced such a challenge?
Yeah, we talked about the gut check.
Yeah.
We talked about the gut check where you have to learn a lesson the hard way.
Right.
And when I get asked, JC, what was that lesson?
Yeah.
Let me take you back to the end of 2010. This was
Okay.
almost a decade ago, and I caught the uranium bug.
Okay.
And I was convinced, like many others, uranium is the next energy and all of these things.
Right.
Fine. So we started. It was very diversified in uranium. I had a uranium ETF. I had the CCJ. I had a little tiny. So it was very diversified.
Okay.
So we started doing well. I buy it. Trend was already up, so it continued. And I'm like, yeah, we got this.
Good.
Right? So I was already celebrating. And then all of a sudden, the earthquake of Fukushima after the tsunami. So all of a sudden, you have a nuclear power plant melting down in Japan.
Yeah.
And all of these stocks down 20% overnight.
Oh.
And then I still had an ego back then. I hadn't been humbled quite like I needed to be. And I was like, it's just because of the earthquake. It'll come back.
Right.
So here we are almost 10 years later. They still have not come back. So this was a lesson that I had. It was a very painful time. Fortunately, I was much younger with much less to lose, which is the best time to learn your lessons. Now
Absolutely.
I have a lot to lose. Right?
Absolutely, right.
So you sort of start small.
Sure.
In that case, I had no choice but to be small.
Yeah.
And that was really the risk management lesson for me that I learned the hard way, that we need to predetermine where we are wrong, not think it's coming back.
Right.
Trades cannot turn into investments. Right. You have somebody who's buying a stock for a trade and it goes against them. Now it's an investment. Now they're listening to conference calls, right? Ripping through the income statements. Like, what? It's always the market's fault. It's not my fault, right?
Right.
So that gut check was uranium in 2010, 2011. That's what did it to me.
Great. Yeah, absolutely. That I believe clearly that everybody needs to have one gut shock to come to that. At least one. If you, else you don't get to there where you want to.